Some morning, just coffee and fruit seem enough, but an hour later, you are already hungry again. Many members in my cooking club have told me the same thing. In Japan, the answer is Ichiju Sansai. It's a traditional Japanese eating method composed with one soup, one main dish, and two sides, always with rice. If you ever stayed at a traditional Japanese hotel called ryokan and enjoyed the beautiful breakfast, miso soup, rice, grilled fish, colorful little dishes with veggies, that's Ichiju Sansai. It's all about mindful portions and lasting health. Light on the body, yet steady energy until lunch. Today, let me show you how to make Japanese breakfast at home. First, a simple salad. Cut cherry tomatoes in half. Blanch and slice okra, then toast them with broccoli sprouts, shiokombu, and a spoonful of neutral oil. It takes only 5 minutes, but see the balance. Fresh vegetable and a touch of kombu for umami adds color without weighing down. Personally, miso soup is the heart of Japanese breakfast and probably it's easier than you think. The miso bowls are meal prep I shared in the previous video. I just mix miso paste, dashi, seaweed, and dried vegetable, then freeze it for convenience. Today I just scoop out, add chickpeas, and pour in hot water. So easy, right? Without soup, I tend to overeat. But when I take a small bites of rice and side dishes and pause to sip the soup slowly in between, it helps me calm down and eat mindfully. And if soup is too much to prepare for you, then the tea can bring the same comfort to your table. And of course, rice, the foundation of Japanese meals. It gives steady energy and always sits on the left side because it's considered the heart of the meal. Not too much, not too little, just the right portion to carry you through the morning. I usually serve myself lightly in rice bowl like this. That way, I naturally see how much I've eaten and portion control happens without overthinking. On days I've already eaten a bit too much, I use a smaller bowl. On hungrier days, I choose a larger one. It's amazing how this simple habit prevents me from overeating without restriction. Some of you may say the rice is not good for you, but for me personally, I can't live the life without rice. So instead of completely cutting off from my life, I would add more variety in the way I can still enjoy the rice in moderation without guilt. Next is natto, fermented soybeans. Just stir it well until sticky and foamy. Natto is rich in probiotics that support digestion and also full of plant-based protein and vitamin K2 for bone and heart health. A small bowl like this adds powerful nutrition, yet it feels light on the body. More than anything, I just love the flavor of natto. Some of you may think I'm crazy. Let me know if you think I'm crazy in the comment section. Finally, chilled tofu with sesame tahini dressing. Whisk mayonnaise, tahini, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and honey. Place tofu on a plate, top with your choice of veggies such as leafy greens or cucumber, drizzle dressing, and finish with nuts. It feels rich, but it's actually very light. Gentle protein from tofu, healthy fats from sesame, and crunch from nuts. It's the perfect closing dish. Balanced, colorful, and a reminder that the small portions can feel truly satisfying. This is Ichiju Sansai. One soup, one main, Two sides, always with rice. If you ever stayed at ryokan and had a beautiful balanced breakfast, that's the feeling. It feels light, yet you stay full until lunch. If this video feels overwhelming to you, I recommend to start with something simple like a bowl of rice together with miso soup. A lot of members in my membership start with something that simple and gradually, slowly expanded the repertoire over time. And I listed the miso soup recipe in the description box as well, so I hope it helps. If you want to start Ichiju Sansai eating practice as your weekend ritual for your mindful eating, I listed the tableware that I used today in this video in the description box, so I hope you will explore the website. And with every order, we include a flyer with the Ichiju Sansai recipes. It's my hope that you can begin using your new tableware with joy from the very first day it reaches you. I would love to know which recipe do you want to start with from today's video. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye, mata ne!